Naturally, there are no direct parallels in history, but some experts, however, and I do respect their opinion, they compare the current situation to the late 20s or early 30s of the last century. One may agree or disagree with such an opinion, yet one cannot but draw some parallel in terms of many aspects, the scale as well as the cross-cutting and systemic nature of challenges and potential threats. We see the crisis, we're witnessing the crisis of previous models and tools of economic development. Social stratification is increasing both globally and in individual countries. We mentioned this before, but today it causes a sharp polarization in public opinions. Populism, right and left-wing radicalism, and other extreme movements are on the rise.